Kislo Zelje or sauerkraut, a staple in Slovenian cuisine. You can eat it on its own or as a meal. I will show you both.
Zdravo! Join me as I make this traditional dish from my Slovenian kitchen. You're going to need bay leaves, half an onion, garlic, paprika, caraway seeds, wine sauerkraut, salt and pepper, and to garnish, either bacon or bacon bits. Chop up your onion and garlic. Give it a good rinse. Over medium heat, add a little bit olive oil. Add the chopped onions. So once the onion has caramelized, add the garlic. Add 1 cup of water. The sauerkraut. Add another cup of water. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds. Salt, pepper, 1 bay leaf. Give it a good stir. Cover and simmer for about 30 minutes. Make sure you keep stirring it every 5 minutes or so. So this is after 20 minutes.
Uncover and continue to simmer for another 10 minutes until all the liquid has evaporated.
And I'm ready to serve.
You can eat it plain or garnish with some fried bacon. To make it a meal, fry up some pork chops.
So season your chops with salt and pepper, and paprika, dredge them in some flour. In the meantime, fry the bacon. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter.
Fry your pork chops about 5 minutes per side until they're golden brown and no longer pink inside. Serve with mashed potatoes.
And sprinkle about some bacon bits. Dober tek. Odlično.